Algorand's MA10 really shows a genuinely descending pattern, which basically is genuinely critical. As far as Algo support floor, it fundamentally is currently $29 in a very significant manner. Algo especially rose 377% in 7 days, showing that Algo generally rose 377% in 7 days, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand especially is buy esteemed at $26.31 walk 2024. In this video, we will in every practical sense walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and fundamentally attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified. Some things facts, what truly is essentially momentary cost expectation for Algorand, sort of is Algo a genuinely wise venture, or so they especially thought. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they basically thought. However, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Algo specialized examination, essentially let us most certainly discuss the especially current economic situations, exhibiting that Algo by and large rose 377% in 7 days, showing that Algo especially rose 377% in 7 days in a very significant manner. Market examination over the and every way that really matters last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461 in an unpretentious manner. The in every way that really matters absolute exchanging volume sort of stands at $62, 396, 878, 040, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740.73 level after a vertical development of 74%, which for the most part shows that Algorand truly is buy esteemed at $26.31 walk 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and basically attempt to answer these much of the time, basically got clarification on pressing issues facts, what basically is momentary cost expectation for Algorand, basically is Algo a truly wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 226% coming to $3, 624.28 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time span in a sort of significant manner. Sol, the sort of local coin of Solana, essentially is somewhere near 0.17, and as of now exchanging at $196.69 in a really significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 77% in esteem, which for the most part is very critical. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a for the most part descending bearing, for especially transient in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a genuinely broad sort of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which especially shows that the by and large all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $62, 396, 878, 040 in an unpretentious manner. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction most certainly are significant specialized markers used to distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so Algo especially rose 377% in 7 days. Showing that Algo in every practical sense rose 377% in 7 days in an essentially large manner. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchases especially become sort of more fundamentally dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which vendors in every practical sense become moved truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Certainly further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time span in an in every practical sense enormous way. Following really are the help and opposition levels of Algorand execution. The especially current Algorand value sort of is $26, with an exchanging volume of $47, 619.57 in the especially beyond 24 hours, sort of additional appearance how Sol, the truly local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is somewhere near 0.17 and at present exchanging at $196.69 in an especially large manner. At present, Algo is somewhere around 44% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $239.059,326 as USD, showing how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Algo specialized examination, essentially let us fundamentally discuss the genuinely current economic situations, exhibiting that Algo sort of rose 377% in 7 days, showing that Algo generally rose 377% in 7 days, or so they for the most part thought. Algorand value examination Algo cost investigation for 31 Walk 2024 inside and in every practical sense, day-to-day time period generally made sense of beneath. So market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461, which especially is very critical. We utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving truly normal intermingling and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving in every way that really matters, normal SMAR and dramatic moving pretty normal AMAR to basically break down the future development of the Algorand, or so they essentially thought. The coin especially is going down as it generally break under two pivotal help levels of $29 and $27. So the coin certainly is going down as it especially break under two essential help levels of $29 and $27, which really is very huge. The market truly isn't reasonable for bulls, and for the most part bears could take Algo towards the very next help at $25. So Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 1683% in an unobtrusive manner. While Algo's Williams percent R pointer in a real sense is at 42.99 for the 14-day time span, showing a non-partisan condition. A exchange commonly signal most certainly is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how as of now Algo especially is somewhere around 44% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $239.059,326 as USD, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging commonly profound into the Algo specialized examination, basically let us in every practical sense discuss the ongoing economic situations, showing that Algo sort of rose 377% in 7 days, exhibiting that Algo truly rose 377% in 7 days, or so they especially thought. The Algo's moving kind of normal combination and uniqueness MACD marker generally is demonstrating a truly present moment fundamentally sell essentially signal, as the MACD line essentially is moving underneath essentially signal line, which for the most part implies truly bears essentially are ruling on the lookout, which in every practical sense shows that moreover Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is very huge. The by and large relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the Algo coin in every practical sense is close oversold zone, as